Today we talk about the Andrew Fortune house. They started to build the house in the 16th century, but the most important parts are from the 19th and 20th century. The architect Josep Maria Jujol made big changes in the house. He worked for Mrs. Fortune Soler. The work started in 1927 and continued until 1943. In 1943, they divided the house into two parts to keep the children apart. Jujol changed the main door with geometric shapes. He also changed the windows on the first floor. The windows became bigger and curved in the attic. There is a fountain from the year 1863. The house is special. It is one of the most important houses in the village. Is next to another famous house, the Bourbon House.
Now we are in front of the Emilia Fortuny house, also called Cal Andreu. It is in the village of Els Pallaresos. We are in the main square near the crunch. The first part of the house is from 16th century, but the best parts are from 19th and 20th century. Jujol made two changes in the house, first in 1927 and then in 1943. He separated the house in two parts for the children of the family. The house has a big balcony on the ground floor and very decorated door. There are three windows on the first floor and big windows in the attic. The big windows give light and air. Jujol also changed the inside of the house. All the parts have his special style. Today, the town hall takes care of the house and organizes visits.